Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to something called Claude right now. Has anybody used Claude before? Okay. So Claude, I have this thing called real estate team profile here. I made a new chat here. And what I do here is I write articles here. I copy and paste the articles, right? And I can put it onto my website. And just as a bonus here, if you don't want to copy it to your website, you can actually publish it into the internet here. Okay. So for example, I'm going to say to Claude, I just did the divorce thing, right? I say, um, write an article about Kirby Chan and Co. and focus it on divorce and separated couples that need a realtor. Whereas that will read the article and hire me as a realtor. Okay. But what this does now, it's going to write this amazing article here. Let's see what it says. Okay. So if you think of a press release, you've seen press releases before, right? And they get ranked on Google. Well, this is no different than a press release here. Okay. With testimonials, separate how why divorce couples choose Kirby Chan, award-winning expertise you can trust. These are my awards I won, proven track record, comprehensive support, timing your sale. Okay. So what I could do is also find the testimonials of people that used us and they were going through a separation. Okay. And I could use those testimonials. Since these testimonials here are not relevant, I don't think. Right. And do you see they have hyperlinks in here? I told the system to hyperlink my website every time they mention Kirby Chen and Co. So I'm going to publish this right now. Okay, navigating real estate during divorce, a compassionate guide. Okay, wait a second. That's not going to rank. Okay, because how many divorce articles are there, right, for real estate? I want um, add in. Um, I want to focus just for Richmond Hill, separated, and divorce couples. Rewrite.
And where does this get published?
In Claude's website.
Okay. And so basically you get links back to your website from another source.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Fill it with lots of keywords that separated and divorce couples. Well, I'm just being lazy right now. I would put the keywords in myself, but not right now.
Could you just put something like write it so it's optimized for search engine optimization? I don't know.
Yeah, you could do that. You could do that. So there you go. Richmond Hill divorce, divorce real estate. Okay, your trusted guide for selling home during separation. I like this one. Lots of Richmond Hill words here, lots of Kirby Channing Co. So when I publish this, this will live on Claude's website. So Claude's a very big website, right? It's like Google or Yahoo, or it's like what's a very popular website like CNN. Okay, it's like CNN linking your website. That's how powerful it is. If you can get this published and linked back to your website, like, wow, Claude keeps mentioning Kirby Chen and Co. here, then they know, oh, wow, let's move Kirby Chen and Co. up a little bit more, okay, on the Google Business Profile. Because the Google Business Profile is linked to your website. If your website ranks up high, your Google Business Profile will rank up high too, okay? So that's why you see on over here, this person here, number 3, has only 52 reviews and he's ranked up high. Okay. My friend, okay, I gotta show you my friend. I'm gonna be helping her soon. Okay, as long as she joins EXP. Um, Houston, real estate agent. Okay. I did this in front of her the other day. And I said, look, you're not even ranked here. Okay. And I go, more business. And I show her, you're not ranked anywhere here, right? And she goes, why? Why am I not ranked anywhere here? Well, I said, you didn't do the stuff I'm showing you guys right now. Okay. And she goes, well, I have 5,000 reviews. I said, it doesn't matter, right? You didn't do anything with your website. You didn't add services, right? And you certainly didn't add any updates recently on your um, on your Google Business profile, right? So let me just see. See, they have 1,400 reviews in Houston, but they're not ranking on their Google Business profile. So it's not about the reviews, all right? 10 years in business, right? So it's not about the reviews, but you still have to get reviews, okay? I'm not saying don't get reviews. I have 136 and they have 260. So on equal level, like if they're doing the same thing I'm doing, this key group, they beating me by reviews, so that's why they're on top of me. So that's why I'm looking to do more reviews right now with people, okay? All right. So if I go back to my Kirby Chan over here, you see over here, you get to do posts, okay? So if you go to post, you can see like every time I have a listing, I would post it onto my Google Business profile, okay? So this one was the last one I did. So I got two more listings today. I'm gonna post my two listings today, okay? So any updates you guys have, post it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and don't forget now is to post it on Google. Okay, this is important here. Okay, so edit service and posting. You can add your photos here too if you want. Okay, and then every review you get here, you must answer them. Okay, and it has to be fast. I know this is crazy, but if someone gives you a review and if you reply it pretty quickly, I think Google does measure your response rate. Okay, so just remember that. All right, so you get to create an offer. So every month you could do a new offer. This is very important. It's called confirm your holiday hours. Just click it. If you don't confirm your holiday hours, again, Google thinks you're dead or you're sleeping. So you just go down to holiday hours. All right, special hours here.
Can I ask a
So
question about the posts?
yeah,
Um,
yeah.
when you post on Google, like where does that post to?
Just on your business, on your Google business page. So when
Oh,
someone looks at
okay.
your thing here, it comes right here. See?
Oh, okay.
All right. So people can scroll through your post here. All right. Again, it adds to your Google ranking. Okay. Um, and if you haven't set up your profile, um, not approved, not approved. Okay. Anyways, so you got your business categories here, your description. I'm gonna rewrite my description, I think, with GPT-5 now or with Claude. I actually wrote this myself, not AI generated. All right. Your phone number here, SMS, website, social profiles. Put all your social profiles here. Okay, you got your short name. Short names used for your. It's easier to share your Google business profile page. So I'm just gonna copy and paste that. Okay, put your location on the map. And some of you might have a problem with that because they might ask you for a video of your location. You have to take a video of your location, okay? And then I put all the service areas I can find all around me, all those little towns, right? And then after this, you can ask ChatGPT to go check out your Google business profile and ask ChatGPT, like, what am I missing? Okay.